In the late 19th century, the Horn of Africa stood at the crossroads of empire. The Red Sea was a lifeline to India, the jewel of the British Empire. To protect that route, the United Kingdom turned to the northern Somali coast, not with armies, but with treaties. Between 1884 and 1886, British officials signed agreements with northern Somali clans. These agreements would give birth to what became known as British Somaliland. Britain called it a protectorate. But what did that really mean? The treaties promised protection. Somali clan elders agreed not to sign treaties with other foreign powers to allow a British presence along the coast. In return, Britain promised military protection, respect for religion and customs, no interference in internal clan affairs. It sounded like partnership, but history would test those promises. Europe was racing to divide Africa. France expanded from Djibouti. Italy moved into southern Somalia. The British treaties were part of a larger imperial competition. For Britain, the Somali coast meant security for trade and empire. For Somali leaders, it meant temporary protection in dangerous times, but neither side fully understood the long-term consequences. Over time, British presence expanded inland. Taxes increased. Military patrols grew stronger. Some Somalis began to question the meaning of protection. British administrators meeting clan elders. From London's perspective, the treaties were legal foundations of empire. From many Somali perspectives, they were agreements between equals, not surrender of sovereignty. Different languages, different legal traditions, different visions of power. The same document, two interpretations. Modern-day Somaliland. Today, the legacy of those treaties still echoes. They shape borders, they influence resistance, they defined colonial rule in northern Somalia. And they remain part of modern political debates about sovereignty and self-determination. Wind fades into hopeful, were the Somali-British treaties acts of diplomacy, or the quiet beginnings of colonial rule. History reminds us, empires often begin with a signature, but their consequences are written across generations.